RL Plumbing Services are a family-run business offering a wide range of services, specialising in all aspects of plumbing as well as guttering, pipe fitting, tiling and general property maintenance. We can supply and install bathroom suites, industrial pipework and install and repair WC blocks. No job is too small. We have over 30 years experience in the trade and we're fully insured with up to £5 million. We like to keep our customers happy with our first-class service, having had many satisfied customers from the past who use our services time and time again. Get in touch today.